Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your join on, join off settings in Roblox. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get right into it. I'm currently on the Roblox app, and the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your settings. To do that, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open up several different options. Next, just scroll down until you see Settings, and tap on it. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and tap on Privacy. You'll now see a bunch of privacy-related options. Scroll down until you find the Other Settings section. Right there, you'll notice a setting called Who Can Join Me. It's the second option just below Who Can Invite Me to Private Servers. Once you find the Who Can Join Me option, tap on it. By default, it's usually set to Friends and Users I Follow. But you can open the drop-down to choose something else. This is where you get to adjust the join on, join off preferences. If you don't want anyone to be able to join you, just change it to no one. You can also pick from Friends, Friends and Users I Follow, Friends, Users I Follow, and Followers. Or even everyone. It's completely up to you. This is the section that allows you to decide who can join you or not. Basically, how your join on, join off is set up. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop them in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel